Hello and welcome. In the last video, we saw how to create a SQL table, how to write a VB script to log the sensor value into the SQL table, how to create a report page, how to design a report page, and how to connect that report page to the SQL server. Now, in this video, we will see how to connect this report page, which is connected to the SQL server, into the SCADA by using SSRS configuration. So, by doing this SSRS configuration, we can access this report page through Internet Explorer and we can call that web page in the SCADA. Now, let us begin. So, for that, we have to go to the report server configuration manager, click connect. Here, we have to go to the web service URL. At the bottom, we have to click on apply. So once it is completed, we have to click on the database and we have to click on the change database. So here we have to select create a new report server database, click next. Here our server is our PC name \wincc. So whatever our server name, we can find it from the SQL Server Management Services. So this one is our server name. We can find this server name here as well. If we right click it and go to the properties, we can find this server name. Click next. After entering the server, here also click next. Okay, so this report server is already available. We'll give log server, report server underscore log server. Click next, click next, click next, click finish and wait for some time to finish all the activities. Click finish. Now then go to the web portal URL. Here we have to click apply. So now we have done the configuration in web service URL, in the database and web portal URL. Click exit here. Now configuration is done. Now what we will do, we will upload these reports file into the web server. Go to the report server configuration manager again, click connect. Now here, if we want to upload the report file which we have designed in Microsoft Report Builder, those report file we can upload here in the web portal URL. Click this web portal URL. Here it will open reporting services. Here the folder is empty. Click on upload. Select our learn report file which we have designed in Microsoft Report Builder. It will upload it here. Now let's say if we have more than one number of files, we can select all and we can upload those files here. So upload completed. We have to click on publish all reports. Now whatever the reports which we are having, now we have only one, that's why we have only one report here. So now this learn report, it is available on the web. Now how to access this particular report on the web? So to access that page, we have to go to the web service URL. So if we click here, you can see this is our report server, and here we have the learn report page. If we click that page, so now our report, it is opened in the Internet Explorer, that is in the web. So here we can select the desired selection, and here we can click on view report. Here we can save, we can print, we can go through the each page of the report. Select PDF. So now this PDF report, it is ready. Here we can select the another batch ID, another interval, and we can save it in the PDF. So in this way we can take out the print. Now this web address, what we will do, we will copy it. So we can access our report from this web access from the Internet Explorer. So we can copy it in the any web browser and we can check it. Here result will be same. Yeah. Now what we will do, we will copy. Now here coming back to the SCADA, now how to access that particular web page from the SCADA? So that operator will access that report page directly from the SCADA and no need to go to the other uh, in the Windows screen, and so he will not go into the Windows screen and he can be able to access the reports. So in the report we have to put one button, go to the properties, go to the events, go to the click event, and here we have to click, we have to start one program. Now which program we want to start? ms age.exe, and which parameter we want to pass. So this web address which we got it from the this report server management. So from this place, if we click on here, so this address we have to copy and we have to paste here. So once it is done, save this page and start runtime. Now close everything. Now we will access that Microsoft report builder page from the SCADA. So click on the report. It will start our web page. Select the batch ID, batch interval. Click on view report. Click PDF. So in this way, so click it again. Select batch ID, select interval. Here we can directly take the print as well if we are using. So in this way, we can take out the print from the SCADA itself by configuring this web page. In some SCADA, this web page, that is Internet Explorer, that is supporting directly, so that we can configure this web page and we can print it from the SCADA. But in the some SCADA that is not supported fully. So in the older version that Internet Explorer was supporting, that's why we can directly print it from the web page, this HTML browser. So but this HTML browser, it is not supporting for the Internet Explorer. It is not supporting, that means it is not supporting for the Internet Explorer. So if we paste that web address here, so it should not support. But in the older version, this kind of web address it will be supporting, but here it will not support. So that's why we have to, okay, so here if we select this, so it will not pass the value because this Microsoft Edge, it is using some advanced scripting tools like Java, and it is not supported in the older version So in the older version, it is purely Internet Explorer based. So that's why it was supporting. So that's why we are using this report button, and here in the events, we can use this msh and we can pass this particular parameter to the msh. So in this way we can configure the web page. In some SCADA, it may support advanced Internet Explorer, that is Microsoft Edge, so we can configure it easily. But in the TI portal, we have to configure in this way only. So again, we will check it. So this batch ID, we will select 30 minutes. We will take out the print. So here we will have data after every 30 minutes. We can save. Also here we can print the same report. So if you go to the desktop, you can find out the report. So in this way, we can connect this Learn Report Microsoft Report Builder page to the web by using this report server configuration manager. So if you want to upload multiple report file, we can upload here multiple report files, and we can publish all the report files at a time, and we can access number of these Microsoft Report Builder files through web access, through web services here. So let us check one. We will copy and we will paste it here, and we will upload that file. If we want to upload, we have to click on web portal URL. So here, upload Learn Report Advanced, upload complete, publish all reports published. You can also use Power BI reports here so that we can design the advanced reports. So here if we go to the web service URL, we will get these two reports. So if we want to access this report, we have to copy this particular web address, and we can copy that address and we can paste it here. So in this way, the number of files we can create in the Microsoft Report Builder, we can access the required files, and we can print the number of reports. So in this way, we can use the SSRS reports in the SCADA so that the execution time of the SCADA, it will reduce, because whatever the scripting, whatever the configuration we have done outside of the SCADA. Thank you.